Today, we're diving deep into some major news about XARP that's shaking up the crypto world. XARP has surged by an impressive 26, and it's all thanks to a significant development in the ongoing SEC lawsuit against Ripple Labs. Let's unpack what happened, why it matters, and what it could mean for the future of XARP and the broader crypto market. So let's get started. On August 7th, a New York federal judge made a crucial move in the securities lawsuit against Ripple Labs. The judge ordered Ripple Labs to pay a $125 million civil penalty and issued an injunction to prevent them from violating U.S. securities laws. This marks a major step towards resolving the case that the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, initiated back in December 2020. Following this announcement, SERP's price shot up to 63 cents, recovering much of its recent losses from the crypto crash. According to CoinMarketCap, XRP is currently trading at around 61 cents, which represents a gain of over 20 in the past 24 hours alone. Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse expressed his excitement over the ruling. He celebrated it as a victory not just for Ripple, but for the entire crypto industry and the rule of law. He emphasized that the SEC's challenges against the XARP community were now effectively over. Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen echoed this sentiment, expressing hope that this decision would mark the end of what he described as the SEC's unhinged campaign against XSpray and the war on crypto. But what does this mean for the market? The price surge caught futures traders by surprise, resulting in a significant liquidation of short positions. According to CoinGlass data, $5.04 million in short positions were wiped out with hours of the price spike. If XARP reaches 65 cents, another $20 million in short positions could face liquidation. On the flip side, if the price drops to 55 cents, it could negatively impact long positions, potentially affecting $25 million worth. Now, let's delve into the details of the final judgment. Judge Analisa Torres of the Southern District of New York issued this critical ruling in the multi-year legal battle between the SEC and Ripple. While the SEC initially sought nearly $2 billion in penalties, comprising $876.03 million each for civil penalties and disgorgement, plus an additional $198.15 million in prejudgment interest. The court denied these hefty requests. Instead, Ripple was ordered to pay a civil penalty of $125 million. This is a significant reduction from what the SEC originally wanted. The judgment also included a permanent injunction against Ripple, banning them from violating federal securities laws in the future. The judge highlighted that there is a likelihood that Ripple might violate these laws again, given their past actions. As a result, Judge Torres decreed that Ripple is permanently restrained and enjoined from violating Section 5 of the Securities Act by any means, unless they obtain an applicable exemption. This ruling has sparked a debate within the XRP community and among legal experts. Some community members believe that Ripple will no longer be able to sell XARP to U.S.-based institutional clients. However, key figures like Matt Rosendine, founder of the digital asset security platform Capsign, emphasize that the decision does not outright prevent Ripple from selling XRP to institutions. Instead, it requires Ripple to disclose future sales and obtain a federal securities exemption from the SEC. Attorney Jeremy Hogan shares this view, noting that Ripple can still sell XARP to institutions under an exemption and that the ruling does not impact Ripple's XARP sales to institutions outside the United States. Additionally, popular wealth author Linda P. Jones clarified that the injunction only pertains to Ripple's XARP sales to large corporations, a practice Ripple reportedly ceased some time ago. Even though the final judgment is in, the legal battle might not be over just yet. Both the SEC and Ripple are expected to appeal parts of the final judgment. Crypto lawyer James Murphy, also known as Metalauman, predicts that both parties will appeal. He points out that the $125 million penalty is a fraction of the SEC's original $2 billion request. Furthermore, the injunction part of the judgment, which dictates Ripple's future XRP sales to institutions, remains a contentious issue. Switching gears to market predictions, Let's talk about where XARP might be headed. Market analyst XARP Shark has laid out an intriguing forecast, projecting that XARP could reach a price range of $20 to $33 by late 2025 or early 2026. This prediction follows his analysis of XARP's price movements and broader market trends. At the time of his analysis, XARP was trading at 44,154 cents, having dropped 5.45 during the week. His accompanying chart showed that XARP's price had navigated significant highs and lows, mirroring broader market trends. Data confirms that XARP faced resistance at 94,303 cents and found support at 45,209 cents. Additionally, a volume profile visible range, DFR indicated robust trading activity around 35 cents to 45 cents, marking an important accumulation zone for XARP. This range has been a battleground where buyers and sellers have actively engaged, impacting XARP's price stability. During its latest battles with market downturns, ARP recently found support at 43 cents on August 5th, helping it avoid lower lows. In a follow-up conversation, a market participant commended XARP Shark for his accurate calls and patience, inquiring about the potential long-term price targets for XARP once the current low forms. XARP Shark responded confidently, stating that he expects XARP to reach the $20 to $33 range as possible targets. According to him, this price range could materialize towards the end of 2025 or the start of 2026. Crypto commentator Armando Pantoja also predicted that XARP could be heading towards $20, aligning with XARP Shark's projection. Interestingly, XARP Shark had previously forecasted in July 2021 that XARP could hit minimum targets of $26 to $27, with the potential to soar to $96 to $240 if the Seek lawsuit concluded favorably and XARP utility expanded. Despite some mockery for what seemed to be a change in stance, XARP Shark reaffirmed his targets, emphasizing that while higher targets are conceivable if utility drives demand, the $20 to $33 range is a realistic expectation for the next major price surge. Currently, XARP is battling to recover from losses incurred between July 31st and August 5th. A recovery push began on August 6th following a 3.5 intraday increase, but the campaign has halted at the moment. XARP is now trading at 5,028 cents, struggling to maintain the 50 cents support level. That's all for today's update on XARP and Ripple Labs. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. See you next time.